Did you know that a simple act, fundamental to our daily lives, played a pivotal role in shaping the very essence of what it means to be human? Millions of years ago, our early ancestors faced a relentless struggle for survival, constantly seeking sustenance in a harsh, untamed world. Their diet consisted primarily of raw, tough plant matter and uncooked meat, requiring immense energy and time for digestion. This constant effort meant less energy available for other crucial biological processes, including the development of a more complex brain. Then came a transformative discovery, the mastery of fire, an innovation that would forever alter the course of human evolution. Cooking food made it significantly easier to chew and digest, unlocking a wealth of nutrients previously inaccessible. This increased efficiency in nutrient absorption provided a crucial energy surplus, directly fueling the rapid growth of our ancestors' brains. Over millions of years, this dietary shift led to a remarkable increase in brain size, distinguishing us from our primate relatives. Furthermore, the reduced need for powerful chewing muscles and large teeth led to changes in our facial structure, resulting in the smaller jaws we possess today. This seemingly simple act of cooking was a profound evolutionary leap, enabling the development of our complex minds and unique physical traits. It reminds us how deeply intertwined our biology is with the innovations of our past. What other everyday habits do you think might have had an equally significant yet often overlooked impact on human evolution?